Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to integrate the Stripe payment method with Laravel. In the previous lecture I have shown you how to integrate the PayPal payment method with Laravel. In this tutorial I will do the same thing in another way. So I am going to the Stripe website first. I am going to search by Stripe. You will see their official website. I am going there. Now here you will see there is a sign in button. I am going to click here. Now here I will just sign up. I am going to click here to sign up. For the sign up, I will give my email address, full name and password. Country is okay for now. And then I will create account. Here my full name I am going to give Morshidul Arafin. Password this one. And I am going to give my email. But here I am going to give an temporary email. So tempmail.org. I am going to this website. You can use your real email account here. That will not be any problem. But in my case, I am going to use a temporary email address. So in order to do that, I have come to a website. For example, this is a temporary email address. Okay. So I will get my inbox here. If any mail anyone sent to me, I will get that here. This is just a temporary. So I am going to copy to clipboard this one, and now here I will give the email address. So here I am going to create account. I am going to my PayPal integration. Here you see that there was a info. So for PayPal I added this information. So for Stripe I am going to do the same thing. Here the email is this one. Okay. Now let's go again to here. Check this one to verify your account and get started, right? Here if I go bottom, you see that this is verify your email to start Stripe. I click there, and here I go to verify email address from here, as this is the inbox. You see that now in the Stripe it is taking me to the dashboard. It is my email is verified. Now it is telling me that I should activate payments on to activate payments on your account. I must have to activate payments, otherwise I cannot use the real Stripe. But I am going to skip it for now. I do not need to activate it. I am in the test mode now. Okay, you will see in the right side that this is a test mode. Now I am going to the developers, and here after going to developers, you will see API keys in the left side. Here a page is come, and here you will see the publishable key and secret key. So Stripe has these two types of key. One is publishable key. I am going to copy it, and here the publishable key I will write here. That is this one. So just I click here, left click, it is copied. I paste it here. And another one is I am going to check secret key. So I copy this and paste it here. The name is secret key. I am going to use the publishable key in a separate line. Okay, and I'm going to make it increased. Okay, so one line. And the secret key I will now give here. So on the secret key, here I am going to click on reveal test key. This one is the secret key. Just I click here, it is copied, and I paste it here. So publishable key is starts the prefix. This is PK, and secret key starts with the prefix SK. there is a test, as this is a test key, so test. So the full, this one is the key and this one secret key. Okay, so I can now use these keys in order to implement a stripe to my application.